This is room 121 at the NJV Plaza Hotel in Athens. The bed is not made, but that's not really. So we have a little desk here, a little sitting stool, chair, TV here, stylish lamps, this device, room safe, coffee maker, tea, fridge. So this light comes on when you open this little door. Here's the room safe, coffee maker, fridge, glasses, cups, closet. The light comes on, and you open it and off, and the light is right at the top of the thing there, and that's the hair dryer and an ironing board, as though anybody still uses that. And there's only one light over the bed, that one, very stylish, but it would be nice if there was one there, looking out towards the hall. You have this cool under lighting for this shelf, and oh, I forgot there's two pillows there too, and underneath lighting there too, so you can avoid the bright room lights if you want. Lots of outlets, I will say that. Electrical outlets, I meant. And down there, although when I plugged that one in, it turned off the air conditioner. The thermostat and the light switches. And I will say that this thermostat has struggled again. This AC has struggled. And the lights come on automatically in the room when you open the door. There's lighting behind this mirror angle. You can see the